Good morning, dear students. This is Mr. Mahmoud Azab with you. Today we'll complete lesson 8.1, find surface area of three-dimensional figures. The second part of our lesson today, how to find the surface area of sphere. The surface area of a sphere equals 4 times the circle area. So we'll use this formula today. Surface area of sphere equals 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared. Now use your and go to page 419. First of all, read this generalization. The formula to find the surface area of a sphere with the radius r is SA, the surface area of a sphere, equals 4 pi r squared. Example, look at this sphere. This is a model for the earth. The question, use the formula to find the surface area of the model. Use pi equals 3.14. Of course, as we said, the surface area of a sphere equals 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi. Here, the diameter length is 12. So the radius length is 12 divided by 2. So it's 6. So 6 here is the radius length of this sphere. So 6 squared. Now multiply. 6 squared equals 36. 36 multiplied by 4, it's 144 pi. And instead of pi, write 3.14, and the answer is about 452.16 inch squared. Now try to do this question. B, we did A before, so read B, read to understand, underline the numbers, the keywords, then try to solve the question. You can stop the video and come back again after finishing to check your answer. Have you finished? Yes? The first thing, we must determine the radius length. Here we have the diameter. The diameter length is 2.7 inches. So we must divide by 2 to find the radius length. Of course, because r equals the diameter length divided by 2. This is the diameter length. So the radius length equals the diameter divided by 2. So 2.7 divided by 2, yes, it's 1.35 inches. Now, use the formula to find the surface area of the sphere. Remember, the surface area of a sphere equals 4 pi r squared. So 4 stayed the same. Instead of pi, write 3.14. Instead of r, 1.35. Of course, it's squared according to the formula. Now, multiply. You can use the calculator. Yes, the final answer is about 22.8906. You can round this to 2 decimal digits, to 1 decimal digits, 3 decimal digits, as you like, but it's not mentioned in the question. Now, page 420. Read question 6. Stop the video. Come back again if you have finished. Okay, now check your answer again. Of course, we must search for the radius length, but we don't have the radius length. We have the diameter length, so we must divide by 2. This is the first step. So r, this is the diameter, not the radius, so we must divide by 2. Okay, divide the diameter length by 2, so 2 divided by 2, it's 1. So the radius length here is 1 centimeter. Now write the formula to find the surface area of the sphere. Of course, the surface area of a sphere equals 4 pi r squared. 4 stayed the same. Pi stayed the same because the question says find what is the surface area of the sphere in terms of pi. So pi stayed the same. Don't write any approximated value for pi. Pi here equals pi. Remember, pi is a rational number, and the fixed value of pi is called pi. 3.14 and 22 over 7 are approximated value for pi. And instead of r, 1 squared. Now 1 squared is 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 pi. So the final answer is 4 pi squared centimeter. Are you happy with this? Yes? Okay. Go to page 419. Question 14. Read the question. Stop the video and do it yourself. After that, come back again to check your answer. Have you finished? Yes? Okay. How to choose the correct answer? Of course, we must solve the question. Here, search for the radius length. Yes, we have the radius length. R equals 9. It's given in the question. So use the formula to find the surface area of the sphere. Of course, the surface area equals 4 pi r squared. 4 stay the same. According to the question, instead of pi, use 3.14, it's approximated value of 4 pi, times r. Instead of r, it's 9, so 9 squared. Now multiply. The final answer will be about 1017.36 squared centimeter. According to the question, it's required to find the answer to the nearest tenth. So to the nearest tenth, it will be about 1017.4 squared centimeter. So of course, the correct answer is C.